yes, those are ratchet straps attached to my cherry picker. No judgment. I couldn't figure out where to put the chain, so this was the best option. Now I'm pulling this motor by myself. I have a floor jack underneath the transmission and then my cherry picker on the front of the motor. I had to go under about 10 times just to get everything lined up. And then I figured out I needed to pull the intake because I did not have enough clearance from the firewall to get it over the brackets for the frame. It was an interesting pull, that's for sure. And I was going pretty slow because every time I would jack it up a little bit farther, the ratchet straps would crack. Now, do I recommend using ratchet straps? No. But did it work? Yeah. And was it a little Western? Sure. But did we get the motor pulled out? Yes, we did.